lube, dude, my piss hole hurts.
Ah, that's the board. Got knob. The knob is damn cheap. There's no flex at all. We should plug it in and try it. Fashion mechanical keyboard. Okay. Okay, keyboard, whatever you say. The cable, like, it is braided, but it's funny looking. Look like iPhone charger. Like the third party iPhone charger. Jesus. It's blinding. No, I'm just gonna repurpose the keycaps I use on this board. Not this one. These. Bruh. We open the box and see. Should I just put in the caps and see like how it sounds stock? Would that be fun for you guys? I think it would be fun. Why not, right? Wow, look at that. It's empty. Oh. Sound test.
You used to call me on my
The sound not bad, but we can mod it. Keyboard foam for the case.
Attachable because it really allows you to put the mouse in your hand and be like, damn, this is how it would feel if the mouse skits were ever going to become smooth. And they definitely did a lot of great guess. The sensor is a 33 use, so I'm just going to explain.
House,
Try the
and
oil
those
keys.
are the
Here, basically the finished product. It's nice, like the looks are nice. Okay, don't look. I'm typing. I'm about to type. Oh, this side's red. That's cringe. I don't know why it's just red. That's so odd. But yeah, it sounds fine. Sounds good. It sounds just fine. Like, ugh. You hear the rattle? I hear a bit of the rattle. Yeah, the sound is nice.